Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is September now. Just a quick catch up on my cottage garden. See, the hedges looking nice. As you can see, most things have gone over now in the front garden. Everything, it's not had much rain the last few days. But yeah, as you can see, my hollyoaks here, all set seed. Lovely seed for collecting these. See there, lovely and dry. Put them in a brown paper envelope or a bit of newspaper from there last year. These are my lilies, they're the seeds of the lilies. Wow, still a flowering, I can't believe that. Gorgeous. As you can see here, one of the last things to flower, my Japanese anemones. Absolutely beautiful. My lupins, all set seed. The seeds are all open and dispersed. Come along here, more hollyoaks. Me cutting back. My beautiful black-eyed Susans, absolutely gorgeous. Around here, as you can see, the tree's looking great. This is my climber. Not looking that healthy at the moment. Into good water. Beautiful climber there over my porch. This is a beautiful poppies. Just to show you how easy the seeds are to get out. Give it a crack like that, and then look at those seeds. All I do, sprinkle them all over like so. They'll come up next year, nice. As you can see here, cloth of gold here, absolutely gorgeous. Lucifer, Cricosmia, just starting to set seed. As you can see there, really nice. This is my getting to the end of the season, but it's still looking nice. Really pleased with that. They were from Thompson and Morgan, those. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. So they all need taking the seed pods off to make them flower a little bit longer, but I'm really happy with this. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. That'd be perfect for a hanging basket there. These ones were from Fry Bricks Nurseries. Next to it, as you can see, absolutely outstanding. These weren't cheap. These were £12 or £15 each. These became already started in little tubers, and I'm so pleased with them. Look at the size of these now. Absolutely outstanding. I mean, they're 6-8 inches across, these, some of these flowers. Look at those. Wow, yep, probably 6 inches across, and one after another. Absolutely outstanding. You have to feed them pretty regular, but it's well worth it. Look at all the new growth there. I'm going to try and take some cuttings off these shortly. And then I've got my vertical planter, which I'm so happy with. I've let it dry out a few times, which I shouldn't have, but it's recovered really nicely every time. Just give it a really good water, really good feed. This is my clematis, which is outstanding. It's only a single, but it's so beautiful. So pleased with it. My delphiniums. This is one of my best ones. This. The seeds. There should be some seeds in there, yep. As you can see, all this will be getting cut back. So when everything dies back, I'll be cutting it all the perennials down to ground level, and then I'll put everything in the compost bin. These are my agapanthus high bone mix, and these should flower next year, thankfully. That'll be the 3rd year then, and I'm so looking forward to those flowering. Oh yes, forgot I'd even got these. These are my dahlia cuttings. Just started flowering, as you can see there. I'm so pleased with those. Just started flowering, and that's it basically. That's a quick tour of my front garden. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.